Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MIUI build and saving what matters. Open Settings, tap About Phone to note MIUI version. Once done, back up the theme from the Themes app. Use Profile My Account to export or sync. This prevents loss. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and charge above 50% to avoid interruptions. These steps protect your data and ensure the device won't reboot mid-process, which could break theme files or settings. You now import the theme file or reapply the saved theme. Open the Themes app and go to Profile Local Imported. If your MTZ is in Files, long press and choose Open with Themes to import. Once imported, tap Apply, wait for the system to rebuild resources. If the theme isn't visible, check My Cloud Sync or My List in Themes to redownload. Make sure you clear cache for themes if icons or fonts look wrong, since cached data can block correct application. You finish by rebooting the phone after applying the theme so fonts, icons, and animations refresh properly. If something looks off, go to Settings, Apps, Themes, Storage, and clear cache. Then reapply the theme. Make sure to switch to default theme first if elements remain corrupted, then re-import. This forces resource regeneration. If the theme still fails, restore your backup or consider a factory reset only as a last resort, because that erases personal data. Always confirm your backup beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.